You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.